guys, where's James? Where's the Hacksmith?
Where's James?
Oh, wow. My God. Holy cow.
I'm Batman.
Gonna be late.
Made it.
Hey guys, so you might be wondering, what am I even doing in Florida? Well, Full Sail University invited me down for another series of Hacker Labs, and this time they're actually doing something Batman themed. And as you know, Batman's one of my favorite heroes, and I've done quite a few projects. And the group of students here, well, they're working on something really cool, Batman's cowl. And it's actually going to help you with Batman detective abilities. Let's take a look.
America's #1 crime fighter.
I'm Batman.
Where are they?
Relax, everybody. I'm here. Batman!
Hey guys, my name is Shay, and welcome back to another Hacker Labs. This time we're back with everybody's favorite superhero, Batman, and we're making Batman's cowl. Everybody might know Batman's cowl as his mask and his helmet, but it's so much more than that. We're all here today because we want to get creative and make, what about Batman's cowl? More gizmos and gadgets were added, so the newer ones is the one that we're modeling ours after.
And it's as authentic as possible is going to be so imperative with this one.
We gotta be ready to field test with the Hacksmith.
Oh yeah, that's right, the Hacksmith is coming back. Hacksmith is coming!
All right.
So we have our UI team working on some things and the Fab team working on some things, but they seem confident that they're gonna be able to get everything done. Well, they have to do it, right? Because, I mean, the Hacksmith is coming so soon, and I wanna be able to show him something, be like, hey, James, look at this cool thing we worked on.
Hey! How's it going?
Good.
Batman's one of my favorites, so I'm pretty curious to see what you guys come up with.
Fit everything that we want into it. I want to make sure we focus on making what we can really good.
All right, so we just wrapped day 1 of filming, and it's a pretty cool project the guys are working on this time. They're actually making a Batman cowl with a integrated HoloLens, so it can actually do facial recognition, instant translation, and a whole bunch of other stuff. You can basically look in a room of people, and it'll actually face scan everyone. If they're in a criminal database or something, it'll pop up their name and their stats, so you can literally look at a crowd and be like, oh, that's the bad guy. I'm pretty excited to see how this turns out, and I think the team's gonna be able to finish it in the next 2 days, which they have to, because that's when filming wraps. So we'll see what happens tomorrow.
Alright, so just like last time, you guys are going to have to head to the Full Sail University YouTube page to see how this project turns out. And make sure you subscribe with notifications turned on, because there's more to come.
One Batman, here's pizza.
How does Batman